Today I'm going to be removing all of this interior trim panel stuff. So I just wanted to walk you through how to take all that out. It's pretty easy. I've already done it to this side. You can see. And biggest tool today is just going to be some pliers. If you have a plastic trim piece tool, that works, or a flathead screwdriver, really whatever, just to get in there and pop off those clips. And then I might need a screwdriver, might need a wrench. Oh my god, I just forgot what that's called. Socket wrench, you know what I'm saying. The only other thing that I will note before I do this, I am pretty much accepting that this isn't going back up because I'm doing a build, so if you're removing this for any other reason, you might want to be a little bit more cautious as far as popping those clips out. I did break a couple on the other side just because I was being a little fast and lazy because I knew that I wasn't going to be putting it back up, but if you are planning to put it back up, then just take your time and be a little bit more aware of where those clips are and not breaking them. So let's get started. So we're gonna try that. Same stuff at the model shop. The other thing I forgot to mention, you might notice my headliner's hanging down a little bit. I'm planning on taking this out, so just kind of started it a little bit. That did make it a little bit different just as far as pulling these pieces off, because usually this is tucked up behind. So you'll see what I mean when we get over there, but okay. Side is a little bit different because we have the 12-volt outlet right there. Okay, this takes a little elbow grease. Okay, that's that piece. There's a little screw right here. Mostly just plastic clips like these, holding it together. Again, if you're putting this back together, make sure you're keeping track of those. For me, scrap. Okay. So you can see I have a lot more room to play around with. This thing here is very deep. I'm going to insulate that, add some cubbies. It's going to be great. Okay, you guys, those really tight bolts I was talking about, my two amazing friends just managed to get them both off, so woo!
Haircut! Cool. Tell you with your hand. Is it coming? There it goes. There you go. Oh yeah, get all this headroom. Sweet. Okay. This is one of those good learning moments. I tried to look up like Subaru Forester or even just Subaru side curtain airbag removal, and I really couldn't find anything. And it turns out, I'm probably not going to be able to really show this, but this one airbag that I thought I was just removing the rear part of actually goes all the way to the front. So I can't really take that out because I need the front ones in case I ever do get in an accident. So that kind of sucks. I'm going to try to make sure, I'm going to do a little bit more research and see like maybe it does separate somewhere, and it's just that it's rolled together. But if not, I'll just have to work with that. So, oh well, such is the process.
Understand about the way that this got built was all of the pocket screws. A few of them are not even lined up properly, so they're poking through the bottom, but it seems really unnecessary, especially with a basic box shape like this, and it's made it a real pain in the ass for me to modify, but I feel like the pocket screws just take away some of the integrity of the wood. Maybe I'm overthinking that, but definitely seems unnecessary for this particular item, so I will not be doing that again. These awesome big pieces of cardboard from work, so I can start cutting out some templates and just kind of get an idea of what this whole space is going to look like before I start actually cutting into any plywood. So